Good evening, sir.
Yeah, wish you a warm welcome to our digital meeting, and I am very happy to share that Ashish has successfully completed his first exam, retirement planning and employee benefit, with 66%. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So Ashish, as we know, this is the digital meeting, and objective is to basically interact for another 20 to 25 minutes, and you can share your learning.
Ashish Waghmare. I've done my civil engineering from Pullais, Mumbai. Then I was during my engineering days, I was always fascinated with the stock market. So I wanted to learn more about it, learn more about finance. So I joined BSc, Bombay Stock Exchange, and I did GFMP, Global Financial Markets Marketing Professional. So I did that, and after that, I was more curious about the finance field, and I did intern with a stockbroker in Vashi. And then I started my own franchisee of Motilal Oswal with my friends. And while working with everyone, with the clients, I got to know that everyone just sells tips, or we just give false hopes, or like it was not a sure product. We were mostly mis-selling was happening, and basically talked to 2 institutes before joining your institute. It was they were okay, but with you I got to understand it is not about just the certificate. It is more about how we take it to another level, to how we become a perfect financial planner. They other were just giving the exam.
आपको लगता है कि ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लर्निंग है आपके लिए?
Sir, first and foremost it is we should always plan for our future, and we should always think long term. Short term benefits are just, they don't last so much. So we should always plan for a longer spans of time, longer horizons, and we should have everything planned. So that was.
तो मैसेज बहुत लाउड एंड क्लियर है कि इफ यू डोंट हैव अ रोड मैप or plan in a place, how you will do a successful journey and how you will achieve your life goal. And we have come across the Corona-19. Okay, so we have realized that those who are having a qualitative financial planning in place, they basically less impacted. Okay, but those who are not